So hi, me again. I'm sorry for the interruption before. Now let's go finish this part. Now when I was looking backwards on this, I realized I don't like it much. It don't mean that I will model a new one. I just want to make it a little bit bigger. But before, I will delete this and recreate quickly after something. And let's do quick make this thing bigger, the tank. So I'll select these edges here, loop them, and just scale them up. I will not look like how much, I don't know, like this. Now I will select these four, oops, loop them again, and scale also this. Now again this, and this I will go a little bit more. I will make it bigger and adjust everything around. Like this, and the last I will scale these three, not all of them, and keep something like this here. Now I will make a detail from it a little bit later. Okay, and now the same on the other side. Something similar, not the same. I want to make it symmetric, but just a little bit different that it was before. Yeah, I like something like this probably. It's not completely round, maybe it will be also better. It's a little bit more interesting. I probably leave also this, which I did accidentally here. And yes, I think now it's better. Now I think I will try to put this a little bit up. Just like this. Yeah, it's fine. And from this side it's also too much, so let's go like this. Okay, so I think now it's better. I will hide unselected and continue by this. So first of all, I will chamfer these edges here, these and these, loop. I was also thinking like if to do more details here, like around, which would be more interesting, but I decided not so far. Maybe later you can do by yourself. Do also small chamfer here, and here too. So just a small one, and it should be better. Now to make the holders, again I will select this one, these, ring them, Control Poly. Now I will drag all of them somewhere. You can go here, clone to element, no, object. It will be separate objects there. So now Z to zoom on this. I will affect pivot to the center. Now I will try to do all of them at once. I'm not sure if it will be possible, but I can try. So I will select these edges, loop them. Now from this view, I just need one view for this. Hold down Shift and scale it down. Just a little bit. Yeah, all three are scaled. It looks probably not so bad. Now select the top edges, ring them, Control Poly. Now let's go to left. Alt X on this shape. I will focus just on this, the biggest, and hold down Shift and drag it down. Like this, and I hope it will be everywhere right. Now clone to element, flip it, perspective, and yeah, actually it looks like we have all three. made at once. So I will control A everything and try to weld. Yeah, we're losing a lot of vertex and I hope it's all of them. Now I will do a chamfer, let the chamfer on all again at once. So I will select these, 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 and also on this I will see if everything is chamfered. So I mean weld. So I will go down and do a nice little chamfer. Just one. Should be enough. Oops. And now I need to make some stands for them. So it should be from this view, these, and these polys. I will adjust them a little bit later to fit absolutely. I'll make an extrude. Like before, I will scale them to make them straight. And let's do some bevel. We'll do a little bevel, a little bit away. Now again a little bit more. Now let's go straight and back inside. Yeah, to make something like this. And this should be enough for our shape. Now by holding this Control Edge, deselect the edge inside. Now I have already again the scale function. And let's do again a small chamfer. We can go a little bit higher here. Now we'll select these, and these, and also these two, loop them, and do an extrude, a small one. Now let's go to 0, and I want to go inside, but just a little bit, and probably not so much. Yeah, like this. I will select the the rest of the shape of the edges here everywhere. Just to make some shape there. It's basic modeling here, nothing else. Like if everyone tell you that the car to model is like advanced modeling, no, I don't think so, because to model a car it's like a lot of patience there, but still the basics, I think. Okay, the last thing, we'll chamfer this a little bit on all. This one, and where is the last one? Here is it. No? It's okay, so here it was. Yep. A little bit, let's do for chamfer. We can make a bigger chamfer here. Not so much. Apply, and we can do a double chamfer. I would like to chamfer also this, but I will not. The reason why I like to select also this inside, but I think it's too much selection for now. Okay, we have our holders, so let's put them back. We need to scale them a little bit, of course. So let's place them in the right position to fit our shape. Like we will sync them for a while. Let's go to left, and we need to make them a little bit bigger. Like this. Perspective, and yeah, I think we scale them enough. Now this is floating a little bit, so I will from top we'll select some polys. I can select these ones and put it down. Now maybe a little bit more. Yeah, just like this. Now the same I will do here. Okay, and so we have a nice holders for our tank. I'm thinking what else to do. We can do, oops, something like this. Select random polys. I will select every second the visible ones. These ones here and also here. Now let's go to top. No, maybe not top. Left. Yeah, left will be better. Hold down Shift and scale them. Oops. No, my bad. Can't scale them. I want to drag them away. Okay, I will do it for perspective. Let's set to zoom. So we'll go to local, maybe, or gimbal. Yep. Hold down Shift and move it away and place it back. Clone to object. Now let's go to perspective. We need to select the object somewhere. Yeah, I think I have them. Yep. I will center the pivot again. And now I will try to scale them a little bit. Now I can see it from this view much, so I'll try Alt X on this. Come on. Let's try, right? Yeah, I think from this view it will be much better. Now, selecting this shape, I will go a little bit away. No, don't hold Shift down, sorry. Just put it away a little bit. Perspective, Z to zoom. And where are our shape? Where is our shape? Oops. Now, I deleted the shape or what? It's here, but... yeah, it's here, sorry. Now, still selected this. Let's extrude it a little bit. Now we'll go by local normal. And the value will be the plus, but really like this. Maybe less. Let's keep it like this. Go to Edge, Ctrl A, and small chamfer, really a small one. Okay. Okay, I think now it looks better than before. Yeah, of course. Now for the details here, I don't know, maybe you want to do here, I will not lose my time now. Probably has some wires here, stuff like that. Maybe we'll do it later, but let's go proceed. I will unhide all. And now we have this here, and here is going some pipe. So the pipe should go to the front here, to a separate object. And it's going like this. Okay, from this point. Okay, so it should go like this. Oh, this should be probably easy. Oh, we'll see anyway. So I will actually select just this and hide unselected. Let's go to front and move to back. Now from here it should go, so I will create here a cylinder. I will not adjust this detail to the shape. You can, but I will not. I will do just a cylinder, small one. I'm also not naming this right now. Probably I will. Let's go for pipe top. Let's go for pipe pipe top. Oh, let's go pipe from top. Perspective. Now we need just one from this. You can go for 20 just to be sure. Smooth lines, this is fine. And let's convert this to poly. Now from top, I need to adjust the height about this. So I will extrude this up, just straight up. And I know the pipe should go like this from this. Okay. I will connect this. I have some idea what to do here. Okay. Perspective. Z to zoom on this. Now, let's say from this police should go the pipe. Front, no, back. I just want to select the right ones. So I'll go here. No, I can't see anything from this view. Pity. Yeah, of course I deselected that. So we are here. And I will select these four. Let's try from back. Yeah, now I see them. Yeah, this is the... Yeah, I need this police, okay. So just to remember this, I will extrude this. That's everything which I will do so far. Now, again, I will connect everything here once. Place it somewhere here. And loop, 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 loop. Edge. Connect it again. And I don't know, place it here. Maybe this a little bit down. Yeah, probably. Oops, now I will select these two. I will keep 1, 2, 1, 3, and again. I hope I'm counting right. Yep, great, 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 great. Perfect. Now we will do a bevel. We'll do a... Oh, it's got crazy. The bevel was too much, sorry. So again, I will go outside a little bevel. And again, bigger bevel. Yeah, to create something like this. Don't ask me what is this, I have no idea, I think I saw it there. So I decided to do something like this. Loop this, chamfer this. Can do a double chamfer here, I think. Be nicer. Now I think it will be nice. Let's go to back view again. Select these here. These edges all around. Loop them. Perspective to see. To better see everything. Yeah, we can actually keep also these in the selection. And let's do a chamfer. A little bit less. Like this. Yeah. I will not do the chamfer from the other side, I think it's fine. I will just do here something, so I will select everything on the top. Now it's a pity that I don't have better references. It would be really nice to do all the details, but sorry, maybe there are some, but they are probably paid, and it's like even if I will have them, I can't give you because they're paid. So I will create here something like this. I will do the bevel again using the manual, and I will just chamfer the order. I will not go inside. Anyway, nobody will see that. Just to make the shapes a little bit interesting, it don't have to be just a cylinder, it can be like different shapes, and like, as you can see, like to create an interesting shape, you will just do some bevels, chamfers, and you have it, so it's pretty easy. So really a small chamfer here. Now for the top, let's set the top. Sorry for this. Again, let's do double inset. Now we can go here with the bevel down. Oops, what I did. Now let's go up. I think I selected something more that I should. Or I just... No, I don't know. Let's do another inset. If it will be possible, yeah. No. Okay, yeah, I see it. Now how I managed to do this? Okay, let's zoom on this and make them like this. We will not do anything else with them. Just make them wider. It should be enough. Yeah, I was chamfering one edge too much, but doesn't matter. So we'll set this, and again I will do some bevel. I don't know, some random shape. Okay, let's do this. Try to extrude this a little bit. And now a little bevel inside, sorry. Yeah, something like this. It should be fine. Now let's loop it. Okay, backwards. First this, control edge. You can loop also this, I think. I did the chamfer also on the top, so we'll do chamfer, can do it. The solution, the value like this. Now it's looking still like too odd. Now for the bottom we will create something like we did before, so I will ring this, connect this, place it a little bit lower, select this, ring it, control poly. Now we can do here a bevel, we'll just go more. Yeah, we can go like this. I will do here a quick chamfer here and here, loop it, do the chamfer, this ring, connect, extrude. Oops, great. Now see, I have now like small problems to do the details with the mouse because I used max units. Of course, if I will do real world scale, I will don't have this problem. So I don't know. I don't think it's like something bad that I did, but just good to know how to fix things like this. Let's do here again the extrude loop chamfer. We can go higher here. Now I'll select also this, loop it, chamfer. Yep. Just to make it looking different from the other shapes. Yeah, I think it's looking not so bad. Now for this, I will just leave it like this. I will just do a small chamfer here, even I don't think I need it much, because I will not apply, I think, subdivision on this. Be for sure enough. Oops, it's too much. Just too smooth. It's too small detail to waste polys on this. So, because this. But why I created this was also I need some placement for my tube. So let's go for the tube. Now I will not create it from a cylinder. I will go to back. I will create a shape. I will do it from a shape. So if I remember good, it should go like this and then back here. So let's go to Align tool and I will turn auto grid. And let's start. Now why I have to drag? No. Oops. Delete. Okay, maybe let's start from auto grid. I don't know, just to make okay. Now I know I can move with the camera, so I just created now the vertex for the spline, so I will convert it to spline and move them how I wish, and if something I will put more. So this should go somewhere here. Now it should go with the angle there. It shouldn't be so static. Yeah, I think I created them too much. No. I can actually fuse them together. Weld. I think I will just fuse a few together. I think I will fuse all of this. And no, I can keep that one. So it should go here. We'll place some holders for the pipe. Now let's go to front. No, top. And we will place the spline up. So it should go from here until here. But let's go to bottom. Of course, this should end here. Let's go like this. I need to swap the views. Now it should go like this. I think we can do it from perspective. So we'll adjust this after. Okay. Let's go with this a little bit up. With this down. All of them. Now how big should be the holder? I think smaller, of course. Go with this generally down. These two. And I should go also with this. The shape like that. Let's go to back. And oops, perspective. And yes, something like this. Of course you can make it like you want. So I will hit Ctrl A and deselect this, and this one I will merge them to Bezier. Okay, for this I need for sure Bezier corner. Okay, I will transport them to Bezier corner. I think it will be better than just a Bezier. There's a Bezier corner. And now let's go to back and first do the shape from this view and then go to the other. Now, so just making it now smooth. I will try to do it. Of course you can do it different. It's just up to you. Something is more easy, something is more hard, so strange. Why dots? Okay. Yeah, there are more of them. But why? Let's go delete it just. Yeah, I'm sorry, I fused them, but just together. Oops, too much. I need one. Sorry for that, my mistake here. And we're almost done. Oh, I can see the second, doesn't matter. Let's go to front. Now my perspective will be better. And we have to adjust. No, we don't. Okay, I'll dig for this shape. Select this back. I need a view for this, it's much easier for me. I'm back now. Front, bottom. I think from this view I can manage to do it. Put this a little bit up. I hope it will be looking good. Anyway, you will see. Something you can anytime change that, so I just want to show you how to do it. You can change it by yourself, and that's the main important to see how you can do it. Do that, and after you can easily model it by you. So no problem. This we can go down. Can go down until here. And let's fix this. just play with it a little bit. After, if you decide like, okay, it's fine, it will be fine, I'm sure. Okay, I'll just place it a little bit down and leave it, I think. Now, if I place this back to Bezier, it should create me more smooth shape. Actually, I don't believe in that much. And I think I will leave it like it is. Now I'm sure it's not absolutely smooth. But it's not by me to make it smooth, it's by you. Anyway, again, I'm just showing how to do it. The possibilities and stuff like that. Okay, I think we are done here. Maybe we have here some corners, but I think it's fine. Now let's select this back and go for rendering. Label and render is here, and the thickness. The thickness of our pipe. Set to zoom. It's too long. I think the thickness is absolutely fine. Now the sides we can go more, like 618 probably. Angle is fine. We'll turn those out to smooth. And I think we are done here. The pipe. Yeah, I think it don't look so bad. Now I will convert this to poly. And of course, if you now, oops, not mesh. Let's go back and convert it to poly. Let's change this pipe top, and with the subdivision it should be nice and smooth. We can, yeah, it's smooth. And it's looking great, I think. And I see it was very easy to do just with the spline. Thinking now. Okay, I will make it a little bit more thick. So stay in line. I will try to adjust it from here. Now 1.5 is too big. Let's go to 3. Yeah, this is better. So I will keep this like it was before and just convert it to poly. Now let's do connect this, our pipe to this shape. Oops, we need to select this one. And we'll extrude it just a little bit, and from the gimbal we'll rotate, we'll extrude a little bit more, and again now you can use hinge from edge, but because we're applying after subdivision on it, you don't have to. So I'll move it a little bit. I mean, I will move this, of course. I don't have to move everything. Oops. Okay, let's go back 2 steps, and this I will do with bevel. So I'll go to my shape and use the lower settings. And now, oops, T. Bevel a little bit more. Yes, chamfer it if we are in this view. So chamfer it just a little bit. Can use the smallest value. And let's move it. Move this. I will affect the pivot to the center. And move it. Just like this. Yep. Okay, now for this connection, probably it would be nice to have here something again. Now the best will be to cut it around and create, but too much. Let's do it different. Like the things before, I think it's not looking so bad, so I will just connect this. Move it here. You see I'm changing the bevel a little bit. I will select this, shrink it. For this we'll do a tiny little bevel. What it's doing. Okay. It's too much, we can go like to this really small one. Let's go to 0 and to make it from here. Again, it's just for some effect. Don't have to spend here much time just to see that something is there. Like from this it's going the pipe. Now for this thing here at the top, I would like to make this straight. And probably after I will do some details on the pipe, a little bit more details. So I will straight this. Yeah, I think like this it's fine. Now why I have this here? Strange. Ah, yeah. No. Okay, I don't know for what, but there was something. Okay, let's go back to front. Straight it again. A little bit to the side and use the scale. And I think we can make something here from this view already, so maybe I will try to use the mouse. Yeah, cool, it's working very well. I'm very happy. So I'll do something like this. I'm still just using the bevel tool. So I'm going outside, inside, and creating a random shape. Nothing which I plan to do. So, like usually I'm improvising by this. Now maybe someone will hate me for the improvising, but I don't know. I think it's good. It's very good to plan everything. I mean, to make a sketch or things like that. But if you don't have time, and sometimes you really don't have, you have to know how to do things different way, improvising by the shapes also. So I will end it here. End it here. I will go by Alt X, will be fine. Oh, I need to go to perspective. Z to zoom. Let's insert this. Yeah, for this I got here, and I'm sure I will not be able to. Yeah. Yeah, I will keep something like this here. And let's go to the chamfers. Because we are using subdivision, we don't have to do here double chamfers, stuff like that. Okay, one step back, deselect this and chamfer it again. Oh, let's select these. We can try, yeah, again insert and do a impossible bevel with the mouse by me. So I need to go away and not much. Not too much. Yep. Yes, like this. So select this, control edge, select the other edges, loop them, chamfer, small chamfer here. Now here we can apply bigger chamfers. So, oops. We just select all of them. I think I can apply on everything the same amount. You can try to experiment with different amounts. Like, you will see the difference for sure. And yeah, it's all loop. Let's do the chamfer. We can go for a value like this. Now let's go to view. I need some view top maybe. No, top it's not. Let's go to left. Oh, by the right. Now it's a little bit too small. I was counting with this. Now the pipe is fine, everything is fine, just this is too small. So we'll just scale this part. We'll scale that like this. I will select also this, deselect that. We'll detach it from my object. I will select my object. I will affect the pivot here. We can go to the right view. I think from that we can see like how small it is. And we will scale this. I don't know, to shape like this. Or bigger. I wish. Can go a little bit more bigger. Perspective Z to zoom. Yeah, I think now it's looking better, and we can move this forward a little bit. And I don't know, keep it here or make it. Yeah, we can move it like here. And I think let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I don't see that it's interacting with this shape here. Almost, but not. Oh, let's go here and here, select this border, cap it. Let's go here and select the same cap. And we need to connect this here now. There are more ways how to connect this. Now I think I will go with the easiest one. I will extrude this a few times. Extrude, extrude, and final extrude. Let's go to front view to make the last extrude. Like this. And now I will simply just move it into the position which I want. Now I did so many extrude there that I can like make the bendings here. And I even will not rotate the shape. Just make here bending. I think like this. I'm sure with the subdivision it will be looking good. And if not, we can still do the bendings. Now with this selected, I will set this to shape like that. I will detach back this to this. So I think I have selected these both polys. Yeah, I will bridge them. That rotate around. And now I will do just a chamfer, and I will do chamfer like this, and probably I will do double chamfer. You can select this if maybe someone would like this, ringlet, connect, and extrude. I don't know, like this. Oops, back. Now I think I selected something more, so let's keep this and loop it, chamfer it. Yeah, it's enough. And we are finished with this here, this connection. We will make a holder after. I think it's not looking so bad, and we will do also the holders on this shape. Now we can use the subdivision just to see. And yeah, so everything is nice and smooth, so we don't have any problem by this shape. Even here at the end, so it's fine. Okay, I think I will stop here and proceed in the next part. I think it was enough for this part. And finish this here and this, and go again back here and finish the details, so unhide all. And as you can see, our weapon is going well. I'm happy for that. And hope to finish more in the next part soon. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.